In this video, I'll show you how to give access to Facebook Business Manager step by step. If you want to let an employee, partner, or agency manage your business assets, you can do it without sharing your Facebook password. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with your admin account. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, click People, then select Add. Enter the person's email address and choose whether to give them employee access or admin access. Click Next, then select the Facebook pages, ad accounts, Instagram accounts, or other business assets they should manage. Choose the permissions you want to assign for each asset, then review everything carefully. Finally, click Invite to send the invitation. The person must accept the invitation before they can access your business manager. Once accepted, they'll be able to manage only the assets and permissions you've assigned. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.